Hello, I'm Umakurva Zenli, a designer, storyteller, and an aspiring SDSI student from Pakistan. Today, I want to talk about a critical issue that demands urgent attention, which is Pakistan's civic education crisis. But before we discuss the solution, let's first understand why this is a crisis in the first place. Pakistan's economy has been struggling, especially in the last 5 to 7 years, reaching an all time low. At the heart of this economic downturn is political instability. But what is driving this instability? If we trace it back, we find one core issue at the root of it all. The real problem is the lack of civic education in Pakistan. This is not a simple issue. It is a deeply rooted, multi-layered problem with several contributing factors, like disengaged youth who do not know their role in shaping their country's future, constrained educators who are stuck with outdated curricula and limited resources, systematic gaps that prevent civic education from being a structured part of the system. So, to solve this, we need a strategic, well rounded approach that includes introducing EdTech tools, training teachers, reforming curricula, engaging communities, and working with the government to make civic education a part of the system. And to make civic learning engaging and accessible, we will introduce a Civic Super app where students complete modules on public affairs, tax systems, and rights, earning badges and redeemable rewards for participation. Gamified lessons where students face real world dilemmas with choices that have consequences. Stimulation, where they solve real life problems like managing a town's budget or planning civic projects. But technology alone is not enough. Teachers play a crucial role in shaping civic awareness, so we need to equip them with better skills and knowledge. Through workshops on conducting debates, teaching educators how to moderate discussions, and foster open dialogue, lesson planning that connects civic education to real world issues, helping students understand how society is run and the laws that shape it. Critical thinking exercises that encourage students to analyze, question, and engage with societal challenges. Civic education also needs to extend beyond classrooms through family workshops that teach parents how to instill civic responsibility in children. Media campaigns that create short videos, infographics, and content to raise awareness. Students taking the lead by forming communities to educate their classmates, supported by NGO partnership to amplify civic awareness efforts. For lasting impact, we need government involvement. This means engaging provincial leaders like the chief ministers and education ministers of Punjab, Sindh, Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, and Balochistan, as well as federal policy makers including the Minister of Federal Education and Prime Minister to make civic education mandatory. Alongside this, we must revise the curriculum by integrating civic concepts into subjects like history and social studies. To ensure students actively engage, we propose project-based learning where they form and run mock government within their schools. But we need a clear strategy to create real impact. We start with pilot programs in selected urban schools to test and refine these ideas before scaling nationwide. We collaborate with key stakeholders including EdTech firms, NGOs like the Citizen Foundation, Idara-e-Talim-o-Agahi, and Teach for Pakistan, as well as government bodies. Lastly, we establish a system for continuous monitoring, gathering feedback from students, teachers, and parents to improve content, teaching methods, and resource allocation. If we do this right, we can expect at least a 50% increase in civic engagement from young people, who make up over 60% of Pakistan's population. Thousands of teachers will be trained and equipped with modern teaching strategies. Most importantly, we can shape a generation where significant percentage of students develop a clear understanding of democratic participation and responsible citizenship, actively contributing to a better future. But none of this will happen unless we all commit to a clear and focused approach. We need to engage, implement, and scale. That is how we create a meaningful civic education reform for a better and more informed future. Thank you.